Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem gift cards on your Delta account on the Delta website. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem your gift cards on the Delta account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in delta.com like this and enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of Delta, which is this one, and you can see the book option at the top left corner of your screen where I'm hovering right now. Click over there once more and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the use certificates, e-credits or the Delta gift cards. Over here, click over there, and after landing on this page, scroll down and you can see the Delta gift cards option available over here. Click on over here, enter your gift card number, and after that enter your pin or redemption code and click on look up, and after that the details of your Delta gift card will be available, and then click on continue, and then you'll be required to log into your Delta account, and after that the gift card will be redeemed on your Delta account. And guys, this is how you redeem your Delta gift card on the Delta website on your account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.